wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best voice-controlled drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the Zerotech Dobby weighs just 7 ounces and features folding arms, making it ideal for those who like to travel light. A 13-megapixel camera offers excellent resolution, and when combined with the image stabilization technology, takes fantastic stills and videos. It comes with a 10-second auto-follow function and stands up to falls well, but the charger has been known to fail. At number 6, considering its range of features, the snaptain A15 comes in at a surprisingly low price. With the arms folded in, it's small enough to fit in the palm of the hand for convenient transport, and you can control it via the included remote or with a smartphone. It offers real-time video transmission and includes 2 batteries. However, its flight time is short. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the scharkspark SS40 Wasp allows you to preset a flight path that it will automatically follow after takeoff. It features front and rear LEDs that are different colors, so you can keep an eye on it when piloting it at night and always know which way it's facing. It boasts a 1-key return and landing and 3 speed settings, but its camera must be adjusted manually. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for voice-controlled drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the snaptain S5C features an altitude hold function that lets you focus on taking photos with the built-in camera, rather than worrying about piloting it the whole time. A cool gravity sensor allows you to control its flight by simply tilting your smartphone. It's got a 250-foot video transmission range and a 3D viewing mode, along with a simple 1-key takeoff. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the BYF Mini has a sleek black housing that immediately lets onlookers know that this isn't some cheap toy. The camera lens can be adjusted through a 75-degree path, and it has a 120-degree field of view to ensure you get everything in the shot when recording HD videos. It returns home automatically when the battery is low and provides almost 30 minutes of flying time. It folds up for travel. At number 2, the quadrone aw-rcq-vc is a durable and budget-friendly option that's ideal for kids. It can perform aerial stunts like 360-degree flips and air rolls, and features a 3-megapixel camera. Plus, it includes a comfortable and lightweight headset. This one's easy to control and offers beginner and expert modes. It comes with 2 crash guards too. And taking the top spot on our list, not only does the unique Mantis Q accept some of the most advanced verbal commands, such as wake up, come back, and take a selfie, but it also has vision-based tracking and facial detection. Conveniently, it folds up for travel too. It can capture 4K UHD video, and the camera can be adjusted during flight. It features an automatic flight mode. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for voice-controlled drones, or simply click beneath this video.